So PFA Research has been around in Cornwall for about 26 years. It started out as the research branch of a London-based organisation and then eventually developed into its own right as a research firm. PFA now are a full-service market research agency, and they do a lot of jobs for both private and public organisations, both in Cornwall and outside of Cornwall and nationwide. They tend to do a lot of telephone research, face-to-face, they do qualitative research, full range of market research that you'd expect from a full-service agency. Having established that it would be a great idea to put together an online panel, we realised that there was a technology challenge around that. We needed to make sure not just that our website was up to snuff, but also that we were able to have a mobile app deployed and that it could link to all of our back office systems, the database and the market research tool that we actually use. And that cost was fairly prohibitive for what is quite a small business. So we came to Superfast Business and talked to them about whether or not they would be prepared to help us to build that platform to enable us to create this panel. So the idea of what Cornwall thinks is that we're going to have an immediate access to the residents and consumers in Cornwall. Now that's interesting not just to Cornish businesses, and we're already having conversations with agencies and organisations across the UK who have an interest in what the people of Cornwall think. So whether they're looking to invest in Cornwall, whether they're looking to relocate to Cornwall, whether they're looking to expand their presence in Cornwall, if they want to know what the people of Cornwall think about their product or service, then naturally they will come to PFA Research, they'll come to what Cornwall thinks as a result of the investment that we've made with Superfast Business Cornwall. So when we first contacted Mike at Superfast Business Cornwall, he was very, very open to the idea. He could see the real value, not just to us as a business of making this investment, but potentially to lots of businesses around Cornwall who would benefit from the service too. So he was really enthusiastic about it. And he took the time to come to us, learn a lot about our business, understand the concept of what we were trying to achieve, and he made the process really, really straightforward for us. We looked at a range of different technology companies, and we were supported all the time by Mike in terms of making that selection. Once we've decided the company that we wanted to go with, partly because they were a great price, but also because they had great capability, again, a local company called Swoop Applications, they started to deliver the app exactly as we wanted it to be seen and delivered. And the Superfast Business Cornwall guys, and Mike in particular, were really helpful with making sure that we were able to fill out the right forms, get the whole process moving, and to be honest, it really wasn't a burden at all. So part of the business case we had to put forward to Superfast Business Cornwall was the impact that it would have on the business. We can see not only will it grow our top and bottom line as an organisation, but it'll allow us to hire more people, bring people in, whether that be on the sales and marketing side, whether it be on the operational side, whether it be framing questions, whether it be providing reports and so on. And so we have real confidence now, very effective, very successful already in the very early stages since launch, that we're going to be taking on more people and providing more value to businesses in Cornwall, as well as increase the size of PFA itself. So I've worked with technology businesses all my adult life, and technology is often viewed as a barrier to growth. But for me, it's an enabler of growth. The barrier is the cost of it. And if you've got access to Superfast Business Cornwall grant funding, or you have another way in which you can make that investment, I would urge you as a small business to grab that opportunity with both hands. It really is a great way of helping you to scale up as an organisation and achieve your business goals.